What happens when a legendary 1966 Mustang gets a 460 horsepower Coyote V8 and a 10-speed automatic? You're about to witness one of the ultimate Mustang Restomods ever built. The 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible is already one of the most recognizable American classics ever built, but this isn't just another restored Mustang. This is an all-new Restomod that blends timeless 1960s styling with cutting-edge Ford engineering, creating a machine that looks vintage but performs like a modern muscle car. From the very first glance, the iconic front grille, long sculpted hood, and elegant convertible body capture everything enthusiasts love about the first-generation Mustang. Every body line reflects the golden age of American performance, while the refined restoration gives the car a premium, show-quality appearance from every angle. But the real surprise begins when you lift the hood. Instead of the small-block V8 that originally powered many 1966 Mustangs, you'll find Ford's incredible Gen 3 Coyote 5.0-liter V8. This modern dual overhead cam powerhouse delivers around 460 horsepower, transforming this classic convertible into a genuine performance machine. The advanced electronic fuel injection ensures instant starts, smooth idling, crisp throttle response, and dependable performance whether you're cruising through town or accelerating onto the highway. Turn the key, and the Coyote V8 instantly comes to life with an aggressive yet refined exhaust note. It's a sound that perfectly blends classic American muscle with modern engineering. Every press of the throttle reminds you that this isn't just a restored Mustang, it's a completely reimagined driving experience. Backing up this impressive engine is Ford's sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission. The closely spaced gear ratios allow the engine to stay in its optimal power range, delivering rapid acceleration while also providing smooth, comfortable cruising at highway speeds. Whether you're enjoying a relaxed Sunday drive or demanding maximum performance, the transmission adapts effortlessly. Driving confidence has also been dramatically upgraded. Power steering makes every corner feel light and precise compared to the heavier steering of the original car. Four-wheel disc brakes provide powerful, consistent stopping performance, giving the driver confidence in every situation. Power brakes further enhance everyday usability, making this Mustang as enjoyable in city traffic as it is on winding back roads. Comfort wasn't forgotten either. Modern air conditioning transforms the cabin into a pleasant place to spend long summer drives with the convertible top either raised or lowered. It's one of those upgrades that allows you to enjoy the timeless style of a classic Mustang without sacrificing modern convenience. With the top down, every drive becomes an event. The wind flows through the cabin while the unmistakable sound of the Coyote V8 fills the air. The combination of classic styling, open-air freedom, and modern performance creates an experience that few vehicles, classic or modern, can match. What truly makes this Restomod special is its balance. Preserves everything enthusiasts love about the original 1966 Mustang while eliminating many of the compromises associated with classic cars. You get modern reliability, exceptional horsepower, advanced transmission technology, improved braking, lighter steering, and everyday comfort, all wrapped inside one of the most iconic automotive designs ever created. This isn't simply a car for display at weekend shows. It's built to be driven, enjoyed, and admired wherever it goes. Every stop attracts attention. Every startup turns heads. Every mile reminds you why the Mustang remains one of the greatest names in automotive history. For collectors, enthusiasts, and anyone searching for the perfect blend of vintage design and modern engineering, this all-new 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible Restomod stands in a class of its own with its Gen 3 Coyote 5.0-liter V8, responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and unmistakable convertible styling. It delivers the best of both worlds. If you've ever dreamed of owning a classic Mustang that drives like a brand new performance car, this is the one that proves dreams can become reality.